What is going on, guys? RNG back at you with another video. Got Rainey here with me.
What's up?
And we got box number 6 of 2017 Topps Chrome UFC. In this box, you get 24 packs and 4 cards per pack. We're looking for 2 autographs and some cool color.
Still chasing the Superfractor.
Still chasing the Superfractor.
And one more hot box, I think.
Yeah, you said there was an auto hot box, right?
I think there's like maybe 1 or 2 more autos in it.
That'll be cool.
Yeah.
Alright. 24 packs. 2017 Topps Chrome UFC. Alright, start off with Rose. Maybe we'll pull her auto.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Chuck Liddell, fired up insert. Habib. And Tashia Torres. We got Raquel Pennington. Fabricio Verdum Museum Collection. Oh, that's cool looking.
Yeah, it is.
Matt Hughes, Tier 1. Refractor numbered to 99.
Yeah, that's really cool.
And Robbie Lawler. It reminds me of those old, like, Score Gold Rush cards. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
It has a gold-looking foil on them.
Yeah.
Back in the 90s.
Yeah.
T.J. Dillashaw.
Like gold granite.
Yeah.
Black granite.
Jesse. And Thiago Alves Refractor. And Conor McGregor. CM Punk, Tyron Woodley, Rashad Evans, Michael Chiesa. I think I told you off camera, like I want to pull a redemption, Topps redemption.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Just to say I pulled one, really, or we pulled one. Matt Hughes, Amanda Nunez, top of the class insert. Stephen Thompson,
Wonder Boy,
X-Fractor, and Mirko Krokop. This pack feels a little thicker. I don't know if that means anything.
Possibly.
Maybe I'm just... BJ Penn, Joseph Benavidez, no, Nate Diaz Refractor, and Damian Maya. No, I was just delusional there. Right, Stephen Thompson, T.J. Dillashaw Museum Collection. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Robbie Lawler, top of the class Refractor, numbered to 99. And Johnny Case. Cyborg, Anderson Silva, John Dodson Refractor, and Derek Brunson. Not much happened in this box so far.
Not yet.
No color yet, has there? A couple of refractors, numbered to 99. Kat Zingano, Anderson Silva, Tier 1, and Donald Cerrone, and Jose Aldo. And Cub Swanson, Paige Van Zandt, top of the class.
Blue Wave.
Sage Northcutt, Blue Wave.
He's an upcomer.
Sage Northcutt, numbered to 75. And Carlos Condit. Still haven't even hit an auto, have we? I don't think. I could be wrong. St. Preux. Carolina, rookie card. Johnny Hendricks Refractor. Tom Breeze, rookie.
Yeah, we haven't hit one yet.
Yeah. Alright, we got to rip one here. No color. Well, we hit the Blue Wave. No auto yet. Liz, what, Carmouche? Carmouche? Demetrius Johnson fired up. Super slick card. Cody Garbrandt and Frankie Edgar. Carla Esparza. Amanda Nunez. That's pretty cool looking.
Oh, it is.
Fire. And Jim Miller. And Rafael Dos Anjos. Dos Anjos. Andre Arlovsky. Randa Marcos. Michelle Watterson. Museum Collection. And Robert Whitaker. And I think this is this is a not hot box. No autos. One blue wave. Chaz Skelly. John Lineker. Ryan Hall refractor. And Aljamain Sterling.
Yeah, the ones are getting a crap too.
No. Maybe it'll redeem itself.
I'm hoping.
Frank Mir. Stipe, Tier 1. Paige Van Zandt. And Stipe. What are we down to, man? We're like down to like 10 packs, I feel like. Got Smolka on the back. That's a good sign, right? Holly Holm. Daniel Cormier, top of the class. Latifi, green.
Yes.
Numbered to 99. I don't even know who this guy is. Latifi.
I like the name.
Yeah, and Smolka rookie.
Smolka.
Yeah, go ahead and put this in a one touch. No. All right. Time to step it up. This box has been messing around for too long now. Mickey Gall.
That's cool.
We got a Rose refractor and a CM Punk.
Oh my, gold? Is that a gold?
That looks gold. Like,
oh my gosh.
Numbered to 50.
That's gold. Trolled gold.
Yeah, good old CM Punk. Gold auto. And Lyoto Machida.
Should I even sleeve this?
Yeah, you got two for the WWE fans, man.
Hey, we once was, I guess.
Yeah, I know, that's true. We got Francis. Amanda Nunez Museum Collection. Is that an orange? Antonio Silva?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Numbered to 25.
I hit a couple of those, right?
Yeah. And Chuck Liddell. All right, it's starting to step up a little bit. Sergio Pettis, Sage Northcutt, and Mickey Gall, refractor, and Anthony Johnson. Jimmy Rivera, Cody Garbrandt, Tier 1. Demetrius Johnson, and Kelvin Gastelum. 3 packs left. Man, it seems like every box we get to the final couple packs before we get to the auto.
I know, right?
Which I guess is better than ripping the first 2 packs and pulling both autos.
Like dreading the whole rest of the box.
Tony Ferguson, Ariani, Ronda Rousey, top of the class, and Luke Rockhold. This is the auto pack. I feel like we're gonna see. Okay, Yoel Romero, Frankie Edgar. That's cool. Fired up.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Yes.
Junior Dos Santos, number to 99, green. Nice little bit of color right here at the end. And Andrew Sanchez. And in theory,
it should, right?
We should have an auto here. We got Joanna. We got St. Pro.
I'll take it.
Jimmy.
First autograph.
Yeah, Jimmy Rivera. First autograph rookie. That's pretty cool. And Junior Dos Santos. Well, that does it for the video, guys. We want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. As always, we'll be coming at you more videos very soon. So until next time, y'all keep ripping.